Introduction.
Ian versus Derek. And touch gloves. And fight.
Oh.
He goes way for the face, man. I told you, boxing gloves on. Alright, body then.
Ding ding.
Oh, yeah, buddy. Oh my god.
Whoa!
Oh, nice. He's out.
He hit my nuts. He hit higher than
He's
nuts.
out. He's out.
How long was that?
23 seconds
Hey, he
left.
hit me in the nuts. That's not aim higher, dude.
We'll look at the replay in a bit.
DQ. I try to aim higher, man.
That was nice.